Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about internet. Internet is a large networking system. This is also known as network of networks, which is used to share resources between several computers around the world. In the year 1968, internet was developed by USA. That time, internet was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So, internet is a network of networks or international networking system which was developed in the year 1968. That time known as ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. In USA for their research and defense purpose. In India, internet was launched in the year 1990, and from 1995 onwards, internet can be used by the normal people or other user. Now, what type of application we can find out or perform by using internet? First of all, surfing and searching. Surfing means to find any type of options or opinion or other information through web browser. As well as searching is same part, used to find out information. As per your concern, you can find out any type of information by using internet. Next is email. You know very well, email is an electronic mail used to send or receive different type of mails, messages or video or audio anywhere in the world. Chatting. Nowadays, it is very much important part in our life. Because of that, through chatting, we can communicate individually with a person who live anywhere in the world, and you can share your personal information, personal opinion. E-learning. E-learning also a very much important part in our life. Nowadays, through e-learning, we can easily communicate with a teacher, with other information for collecting knows the studies related information, and for this reason e-learning is a very much important part in our life. Next is e-commerce. E-commerce is used to send or receive any type of product through online. It means through internet we can buy or receive any type of product. And next is entertainment. Through internet we can watching movies, listening songs or other information, and there's one important or popular entertainment website is YouTube. You know very well, through YouTube you can collect information or different type of movies or information, etc. Next is part of internet. You just see, in internet you can find out three major parts. Web browser is a type of software through which we can open or search or find any type of information. Website is a collection of web page where you can find all the details about the topic which you want to search, and web page is a single page of website. So there is a three part of internet. Major part is web browser, is a type of software from where you can collect the information about all the necessary topic which you want to find. Website is a collection of web pages, and web page is a single page of website. This is the application area and type of communication. There is a two type of communication you can find, web and wireless. One means through telephone line or cable we can collect or connect the internet in our computer or other devices. And wireless means Wi-Fi. You know, videos is one of the very much example important or popular example of wireless is Wi-Fi. Through Wi-Fi you can connect internet without wire. So this is the part of internet, and this is a major part, and all this communication. Now, the application area of internet. You know, this is a very much important part in email from internet. Through email, we can send or receive mail messages. Nowadays, we are very much busy on a schedule. That's why it's taking small time for sending any type of mail messages through email is a very good option for us, and to share audio and video too. So how to open email? You know very well, some email accounts are very much popular nowadays. One of these Gmail. If you want to open Gmail, first of all you write www.gmail.com, then you can click on create email account. After that you can find out some options. You can fill all these options with some related information. After that you can create an email, and email give two parts. One is ID, another is password. ID and password both are very much important for you. Because of that, if there is no ID, you cannot open any type of email, and password always is a case sensitive and very much sensitive. You cannot share password to anyone. After that, you can create email in Gmail account. You can open the Gmail and you can send or receive any type of mail or messages. After that, we can find out some social media. Social media is a part in the internet section where we can share our personal opinion, personal view and other topic. Social networking like Twitter or Facebook, both are very much important for us to share our feedback or any type of information or personal opinion. This is very much important for us with these two social networking like Twitter and Facebook. You know very well. Nowadays it is very much important and very much popular for us. After that, we are going with media sharing. Through YouTube, Flickr, blog, we can share our personal opinion, as well as we can find out or we can read other opinion which is important for us for the future. Blogger is a website through where we can write all this information. And WordPress. WordPress also is a part of the social or media sharing. In WordPress, you can find out two major parts. One is Digg, another is Reddit. Digg is an Indian social networking or social site where you can share information, and Reddit is the American media sharing. These all are very much important part in our present life. Because of that, internet is very much important to share any type of information or other receiving information, or if you want to send any type of personal opinion, everything possible by using internet. Thank you for today.